Good time to all the research scholars and a group of our members. I am K. Atmaram. I am a research scholar. My research advisor is Dr. K. Chandrasekharaya, who is a professor at SIT JNU Hyderabad. Before explaining the content of it, I want to say about the abstract in brief. The modern age is characterized by information society. It has a lot of information that is boonful as well as a lot of information that is baneful. This paper displays a few issues with respect to information threats caused by undesirable elements pose a challenge to ICT and calling for exploration of safety and security of society or nations. This paper is an attempt to present that alternative approaches are possible and often necessary to supportive to cyber forensics. Let us have an introduction about this content. The criminal intents can easily have internet as a ground for designated activities without an evidence of crime, lot of by a chance by policing to be successful. Cyber crimes or ICT based crimes that use internet to harm the reputation of victims or cause physical or psychological harm to victim directly or indirectly or may contribute to the economic offenses. Cyber fraud. The identity that thefts is the form of fraud or cheating in which a person pretends to be different person. Over the years, the computer crime and computer related crime have grown exponentially. As for the statisticals made by the 2002 of certain things, it is around 67%. Today, it is used not only to investigate a wide variety of crimes including child pornography, fraud, cyber stalk, murder, rape, but also in the civil proceedings as a form of information gathering. For example, electronic discovery. Computer forensics. Computer forensics is a branch of digital forensic science pertaining to legal evidence found in computers and digital storage media. It is aimed at examining digital media in a forensically sound manner and at identifying, preserving, recovering, analyzing, and presenting facts and opinions about the information. The scope of forensic analysis can vary from simple information retrieval to reconstructing a series of events. Computer forensics is defined as involving present, preservation, identification, extraction, documentation, and interpretation of computer data. It is considered more of an art than a science. Forensic process. Investigations are performed on static data, that is, acquired images, rather than on dynamic as a live systems. Computer forensics investigation techniques include cross-driver analysis, live analysis, deleted files, uh, stochastic forensics, and steganography. Cyber forensics, it is a branch of specialized thing with respect to computer sciences under the broad category of digital forensic science. The goal of cyber forensics is to examine cyberspace in a forensically sound manner with the aim of identifying, preserving, recovering, analyzing, and presenting facts and opinions about information relevant to cybercrime. Cyber warfare. Cyber warfare is a kind of IW. It refers to activities by a nation state to penetrate another nation's computers or network with the intention of causing civil damage or disruption. Cyber warfares involve politically motivated hacking to conduct sabotage and espionage. Information warfare is disputed for both its accuracy and its political motivation. Methods of attacking with respect to cyber warfare consisting of different threats such as espionage and national security breaches, denial of security service attacks, electrical power grid motivation for cyber warfare could be military, civil, and private sectors too. Cyber counterintelligence. Cyber counterintelligence refers to measure the counteract defend with respect to cyber warfare. The measures include identifying, penetrating, or neutralizing foreign operations that use cyber means as a primary tradecraft methodology as well as foreign intelligence service collection efforts that use traditional methods. Finally, we come to the conclusion. The dynamic, asymmetric, and still evolving nature of cyber attacks makes all aspects of cyber defense, including detection, analysis, investigation, uh, prosecution, retaliation, and more critical questions for national security planners to answer.